In this video, I'll show you how to adjust your Facebook ad preferences so you can control the types of ads you see. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, and after that tap Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for the Account Center section at the top and tap on it. Inside this section, scroll down and tap Ad Preferences. This will open the area where you can manage how ads are personalized for you. Here you will see options like Ad Topics, Ad Activity, and Advertisers. Tap Ad Topics to choose which topics you want to see more or less of in your ads. You can select options like See Less for topics you are not interested in. Next, go back and tap Advertisers to view companies that have shown you ads recently. You can hide ads from certain advertisers if you prefer not to see their promotions. After adjusting these settings, your ad experience will gradually change based on your preferences. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.